is Shambria, and this is my go-to everyday soft glam, I guess we'll call it. Subscribe, like this video, and if you want to see exactly how I got this look, stay tuned.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast as fuck. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lie my song. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the soundless how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. I'm sorry I say that. Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
What is love? Girl, we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love. I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me do some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me do some magic and yeah, like you did it.
out that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episodes that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you do some magic and oh no, that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Baby, do some magic and on that like you did it. Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. This turned out amazing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you want to see down below, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye.